Hi, and welcome to Virtual Construction Assistant's weekly tips and tricks for your office system. Our tip for today is about Microsoft Outlook keyboard shortcuts. First, open your Outlook. Using keyboard shortcuts for Outlook helps get the work done efficiently. A good example is to change Outlook views from mail, calendar, contacts, and to-do list. To shift to calendar, press Ctrl 2 on your keyboard. Ctrl 3 for contacts, Ctrl 4 for the to-do list, and Ctrl 1 to go back to mailbox instantly. There are also times when you need to mark an email as unread. Open your message and press Ctrl U. This will highlight your email message in blue, indicating it is unread. To reply to all persons looped in the email, press Ctrl Shift R. Otherwise, press Ctrl R to reply only to the sender. Should you need to forward the email, simply press Ctrl F. If you are in the mailbox view and you want to create a new email message, press Ctrl N and then write your message. Pressing Ctrl N in calendar will create a new calendar meeting. It will create a new contact when pressing it in the contacts view. If you are anywhere in Outlook and wants to create a new email message, press Ctrl Shift M. Good work! Now, go ahead and use those Outlook keyboard shortcuts to do your task efficiently. That's all for today. See you again next week for another tips and tricks.